Okay, so I'll explain how to use a mobile phone as a IP camera. Okay, so you need to take a smartphone. Okay, and you can go to a Play Store. Okay, you go to a Play Store. Okay, and there you need to search IP camera. Okay, so you need to install this one. Okay, third one, you need to install this. So in my case it is already installed, so I can open it directly. Okay, in your case you can install it completely. Once you install that completely, okay, you can click on a start server. Okay, before that we need to have say one more phone. Okay, one more phone we need. Okay, so I have one more. So before that, what we need to do, we need to okay, let me increase this backlight timing. Okay, and what we need to do, we need to go to the settings, and we have to go to this settings, and then personal hotspot, you need to turn this on. Okay, so I have started this hotspot. Okay, and I have started start server. Click on start server. Okay, so here you can see that I'm able to see this, right? So whatever I'm having, I'm able to see that. And if you focus on this, if you zoom into it, I can see 192.168.43.1.:8080. So what is this? This is nothing but a IP address of this camera. This mobile is having some camera, and its IP address is the first line. It is showing 192.168.43.1.:8080. So what I have to do now? I have to take one more smartphone, or you can go with the other PC also, but I'll demonstrate that with a PC. Okay, so this you can put on your robot, or whenever where you need to have the surveillance. Okay, so first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to this or directly you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so here I have already started this, so I need to connect to the hotspot that I have started. So its name is A Square. Let me connect that to it. Okay, so once I connect to the hotspot, okay, so I can open a Chrome, and here in a browser you need to put the IP address which we already have, 192.168.43.213:8080. So we shall put the IP address, say 192.168, okay, 192.168.43.213, and then colon, and the port number 8080. Okay, so you have to make sure that 192.168.43.213. okay, and it should be 192.168.43.213:8080, and just click enter. Okay, wait until it opens a browser. Okay, here you can see, and you just go to click on a browser. Okay, so here you will be having a look whatever is being shown by this camera. Okay, so let us see what a boy watching a movie, okay, that we can see from the this camera. Okay, same thing we have to observe here on a this thing. Okay, so can you see this, right? Okay, so if I move the camera, okay, if I move the camera, you can see this. Like other objects I can show you. Like this is how. Okay, so this is how you can see, right? You understood, right? So here we have two camera. This is a camera. Here we are observing on a browser. Okay, so step one, what we did, we installed a IP camera on this mobile phone. Okay, then we started hotspot of this. Okay, and then we have connected the second mobile where we are going to observe. So this would be connected to this network, this hotspot. Okay, and here in a IP application, we shall start server. We click on a start server, then we get this 192.168.43.213:8080. This is an IP address. Then simply we take other mobile phone. Okay, so what we do here, we just click this, open a Chrome, and here we type the 192.168.43.213:8080 that we have got in a first line, and we just click on a browser, and then when we see this. Okay, so let me open a camera. So here you can see a boy watching a video. Okay, and again the same thing has to be seen here. Okay, so if I move the camera, it can show you the different things. Thank you.